Taiwan, land of bustling night markets, stunning mountain ranges, and of course, incredible food. But one culinary experience stands out: Din Tai Fung. This restaurant chain didn't just become popular in Taiwan, it went global. Din Tai Fung now has restaurants all over the world. From the United States to Dubai, people line up for a taste. What's the big deal? It's simple. Din Tai Fung makes some of the best dumplings on the planet. These aren't your average dumplings, though. Each one is crafted with precision and care. They're little pockets of flavor ready to burst in your mouth. The chefs at Din Tai Fung are masters of their craft. They spend years perfecting the art of dumpling making, and their dedication shows in every bite. It's no wonder Din Tai Fung has earned Michelin stars and countless awards. Din Tai Fung's story is one of humble beginnings and unexpected success. It all started in 1958 as a cooking oil shop. The founders, a couple named Bingyi Yang and Lai Penmei Yang, decided to shift their focus. They started selling steamed dumplings. Little did they know this decision would change their lives forever. The dumplings were a hit, quickly gaining a loyal following. Word of mouth spread like wildfire, and Din Tai Fung's reputation grew. Soon they were no longer just a small shop, they were a culinary phenomenon. Today, Din Tai Fung is a global brand, but they haven't forgotten their roots. They remain committed to quality ingredients and traditional techniques. This dedication is what sets Din Tai Fung apart. Walking into a Din Tai Fung restaurant is an experience in itself. The atmosphere is lively and inviting, with the aroma of delicious food filling the air. You'll often see the chefs hard at work through an open kitchen. Their movements are precise and rhythmic, a testament to their skill. But the real showstopper is the food. Din Tai Fung is best known for its Xiaolongbao, or soup dumplings. Each one is a masterpiece of culinary engineering. One bite releases an explosion of taste. Stepping into a Din Tai Fung is like entering a world of culinary theater. The decor is modern and sleek, with clean lines and warm lighting. It's a far cry from the hustle and bustle of a traditional street food stall. But don't let the contemporary setting fool you. The heart of Din Tai Fung remains deeply rooted in tradition. The open kitchen is a focal point, allowing diners to witness the artistry of dumpling making firsthand. Chefs, clad in white uniforms and hats, move with practiced precision. Their hands, dusted with flour, work tirelessly, transforming simple ingredients into miniature culinary masterpieces. It's a mesmerizing sight, watching them knead, roll, and pleat the dough with such dexterity. The aroma of steaming broth, savory fillings, and fragrant spices wafts through the air, whetting your appetite and building anticipation for the feast to come. Din Tai Fung understands that dining is not just about the food, it's about the entire experience. From the moment you walk in, you're greeted with warmth and efficiency. The staff is attentive and friendly, guiding you to your table and ensuring your comfort. The menu, often with pictures, is designed to be accessible and inviting, even for first-time visitors. They want you to feel at ease, ready to explore the world of Taiwanese cuisine. Once you've placed your order, the real fun begins. Anticipation builds as you watch the chefs work their magic in the open kitchen. The rhythmic chopping, the sizzle of pans, the gentle steaming, it's all part of the sensory experience. And then the moment arrives. Your food is served. Steamer baskets are carefully placed on your table, releasing puffs of fragrant steam. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. Din Tai Fung stands out for its exceptional service. The staff is highly trained and knowledgeable about the menu. They offer recommendations and explain dishes. For many, a visit is a special occasion. Service is efficient without feeling rushed. They anticipate your needs discreetly. They take pride in providing a positive dining experience. Let's talk about the star of the show, Xiaolongbao. These aren't your average dumplings. They're often called soup dumplings for a reason. Inside that delicate, translucent skin, there's a burst of savory broth just waiting to be unleashed. It's like a warm hug in every bite. The most classic filling is pork, but Din Tai Fung offers variations to tantalize every palate. You can find them filled with crab and pork, shrimp and pork, or even just vegetables for a vegetarian option. Each ingredient is carefully selected for its quality and flavor. The pork is juicy and flavorful, the crab is sweet and delicate, and the vegetables are fresh and crisp. But the real secret to Xiaolongbao's magic lies in the broth. It's made by slowly simmering pork bones and skin with a blend of spices, creating a rich and flavorful base that infuses every bite. What makes Xiaolongbao so special is the symphony of textures and tastes that explode in your mouth with every bite. First, you experience the delicate, slightly chewy texture of the dumpling skin. Then, as you bite down, the hot, savory broth bursts forth, filling your mouth with an umami explosion. The filling, whether it's tender pork, succulent crab, or fresh vegetables, adds another layer of flavor and texture. It's a culinary dance that will leave your taste buds begging for more. The beauty of Xiaolongbao lies in its simplicity. There are no fancy sauces or elaborate presentations. It's just a humble dumpling, steamed to perfection and served with a side of black vinegar and ginger slivers. The ginger helps to cut through the richness of the broth, while the vinegar adds a touch of acidity that balances out the flavors. Eating Xiaolongbao is an art form in itself. You can't just pop one in your mouth like a regular dumpling. There's a technique to it, a way to savor every nuance of flavor and texture. First, you pick up the dumpling with your chopsticks, being careful not to puncture the delicate skin. Then, you gently dip it in the black vinegar and ginger mixture, adding a touch of acidity and warmth. Now comes the moment of truth. You bring the dumpling to your mouth and take a small bite, allowing the hot broth to flow into your mouth. Savor the moment. Let the flavors dance on your tongue. Then, enjoy the rest of the dumpling, along with the remaining broth. Repeat until the basket is empty, and you're left with a sense of culinary satisfaction.
Let me hear you say 1, 2, 3, 4.
Xiaolongbao is more than just a dish at Din Tai Fung. It's an experience. It's about slowing down, appreciating the craftsmanship, and savoring every bite. It's about sharing a meal with friends and family, creating memories that will last a lifetime. So the next time you find yourself at Din Tai Fung, don't just order the Xiaolongbao, experience it. Embrace the ritual, appreciate the flavors, and let yourself be transported to a world of culinary bliss. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you for it. While Xiaolongbao might be the reigning monarch of Din Tai Fung, don't overlook the court's other delightful members. Shrimp and pork xiao mai, for example, are a testament to the restaurant's dedication to variety and flavor. They offer a different kind of dumpling experience, just as satisfying, just as crave-worthy. Instead of being tucked away in a closed parcel, xiao mai fillings peek out from their wrappers, inviting admiration for their vibrant colors and textures. The wrappers themselves are slightly thicker than those used for Xiaolongbao, providing a satisfying chew. This doesn't mean they're dense or doughy. They're still delicate, steamed to a perfect translucent sheen. And oh, the filling! A harmonious blend of fresh, succulent shrimp and savory ground pork, seasoned to perfection, awaits within. Each bite is an explosion of flavor, a testament to the careful balance of ingredients and technique that Din Tai Fung is known for. The success of these xiao mai hinges on the perfect harmony between the shrimp and pork. Too much of one could overpower the other, but Din Tai Fung's chefs have mastered this delicate dance. The shrimp, chopped into generous chunks, provide a burst of fresh, slightly sweet ocean flavor. Their texture is key, too. Not rubbery, but still retaining a satisfying snap. The ground pork, on the other hand, adds a savory depth and a grounding richness. It's seasoned subtly, allowing the natural flavors of the meat and shrimp to shine through. This filling isn't just a homogeneous mass either. You'll find little bursts of flavor from finely diced vegetables, often scallions or water chestnuts, adding a bit of crunch and freshness. Some variations might include bamboo shoots or mushrooms for an earthy note. Each bite is a delightful discovery, a testament to the care that goes into creating these seemingly simple dumplings. The cooking method for xiao mai is just as crucial as its ingredients. Steaming might seem straightforward, but it's an art form in itself. Din Tai Fung's chefs have honed their steaming techniques over decades, ensuring that each dumpling emerges perfectly cooked. The xiao mai are placed in bamboo steamers lined with parchment paper, preventing them from sticking. The steam gently cooks the dumplings, ensuring the wrapper is tender and the filling is cooked through without becoming tough. Timing is everything. A few seconds too short and the filling might be undercooked. A few seconds too long and the delicate wrapper could become soggy. The chefs at Din Tai Fung have mastered this delicate dance of time and temperature, ensuring that each xiaomai emerges from the steamer a perfect little cloud of flavor. While they might not have the same global recognition as their soup dumpling cousins, the shrimp and pork xiaomai hold a special place in the hearts of Din Tai Fung devotees. They represent the restaurant's commitment to offering a diverse and delicious dumpling experience. So the next time you find yourself at a Din Tai Fung, don't let the allure of the Xiaolongbao overshadow the other gems. Give the shrimp and pork xiaomai a try. Order a steamer basket and savor the delicate flavors and satisfying textures. You might just discover your new favorite dish in the process. Now, for those who like a little kick with their dumplings, Din Tai Fung has a special treat: spicy wontons. These aren't your grandma's wontons, though I'm sure hers are delicious too. These are little flavor bombs, packing a punch of chili oil and Sichuan peppercorns that'll wake up your taste buds. But don't worry, it's not all about the heat. Din Tai Fung knows how to balance flavors, and these wontons are no exception. The spiciness is carefully calibrated to bring out the savory depth of the pork filling and the delicate sweetness of the wonton wrappers. It's a flavor combination that'll have you reaching for more, even as your mouth tingles with delight. The aroma alone is enough to get your stomach rumbling. That heady mix of chili, garlic, and ginger is irresistible. So what's inside these fiery little parcels? The filling, while simple, is a masterpiece of flavor. It starts with ground pork, chosen for its juiciness and subtle sweetness. Then comes the magic touch: finely chopped aromatics like ginger, garlic, and scallions. These add a layer of complexity and freshness that cuts through the richness of the pork. And of course, no spicy wonton would be complete without a generous dose of chili oil and Sichuan peppercorns. These aren't just tossed in willy-nilly, though. The chefs at Din Tai Fung are masters of balance, and they use just the right amount to create a slow-burning heat that builds with each bite. The Sichuan peppercorns add a unique numbing sensation that's addictive, leaving your lips tingling long after the last wonton is gone. While the wontons themselves are delicious on their own, the dipping sauce takes them to a whole other level. It's a masterful blend of soy sauce, black vinegar, and chili oil, with a sprinkle of sesame seeds for good measure. The soy sauce adds a savory depth, the black vinegar a touch of acidity to cut through the richness, and the chili oil, well, that speaks for itself. But the real secret is the balance of flavors. It's tangy, savory, and spicy all at once, complementing the wontons perfectly without overpowering their delicate flavor. Some people like to dunk their wontons completely, while others prefer a more delicate approach, just a touch of sauce to enhance the flavors. Whichever camp you belong to, one thing's for sure: this dipping sauce is the perfect accompaniment to these fiery little bites of heaven. Spicy wontons at Din Tai Fung are more than just a spicy snack. They're an experience. They're a testament to the restaurant's ability to take a simple dish and elevate it to new heights with their masterful use of flavor and technique. It's the perfect example of how heat, when used correctly, can enhance and transform a dish, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. So next time you're craving something bold, something flavorful, something that'll leave your taste buds tingling, head to Din Tai Fung and order a plate of spicy wontons. But be warned, they're addictive. So there you have it, a glimpse into the delicious world of Din Tai Fung. It's more than just a restaurant, it's a cultural phenomenon. From those perfect little Xiaolongbao bursting with savory broth, to the delicate dance of shrimp and pork in the xiaomai, to the fiery kick of the spicy wontons, Din Tai Fung offers a culinary journey for every palate. It's a place where tradition meets innovation, where simple ingredients are transformed into extraordinary dishes. So whether you're a seasoned foodie or a curious newbie, make sure Din Tai Fung is on your culinary bucket list. It's an experience that'll have you hooked from the first bite. And trust me, once you've tasted the magic of Din Tai Fung, you'll be dreaming about those dumplings for days to come. Go ahead, treat yourself. You deserve it. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.